Cultivating Success, a blueprint for young entrepreneurs. Becoming a successful entrepreneur is a journey that transcends time, rooted in timeless principles. Whether navigating the business landscape a century ago or in the contemporary era, certain foundational steps remain constant. In this discourse, we explore the blueprint for young entrepreneurs, emphasizing the importance of learning, working with the right company, and prioritizing knowledge over immediate earnings. This is Ash Cash Stash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The right company, a crucial starting point. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey brings forth a critical consideration: the company you choose to associate yourself with. Contrary to conventional metrics like size or revenue, the ideal company is one that committed to investing in your personal and professional growth. In navigating this choice, it becomes essential to align with organizations that prioritize employee development, offering valuable training initiatives and fostering an environment conducive to continuous learning. This emphasis on learning and growth is particularly crucial for those aspiring to thrive in the dynamic landscape of entrepreneurship. During the intricate process of job interviews and selection, it is prudent to underscore your eagerness to prioritize learning and development over immediate financial gains. This strategic approach communicates to potential employers that you are driven by a long-term vision and value the investment they make in their employees. By actively seeking out companies that share this commitment to growth, aspiring entrepreneurs position themselves to not only acquire essential skills, but also to cultivate a mindset geared towards adaptation and innovation. Finding the sweet spot. Company size matters. The terrain of company selection in your entrepreneurial journey requires a nuanced approach, one that involves striking a delicate balance in company size. Extreme choices, whether opting for a company that is too small or one that is overly large, pose unique challenges that can impact your learning and growth. Selecting a company that is too small might limit the breadth of learning opportunities available. In such settings, the scope of responsibilities could be narrow, potentially hindering your exposure to diverse aspects of the business landscape. On the other end of the spectrum, opting for an excessively large corporation might result in a different set of challenges. In such environments, the sheer scale of operations may lead to less hands-on experience, making it challenging to actively contribute and learn in a meaningful way. The ideal approach involves aiming for a company with a moderate size, typically around 100 employees or less. This size range offers a sweet spot where you can actively contribute to the organization's goals while also benefiting from a more hands-on, intimate learning environment. In such settings, your role is likely to encompass a broader range of responsibilities, providing you with valuable insights into various facets of the business. This balanced choice ensures that you are not confined to a narrow set of tasks, fostering a holistic learning experience that aligns with the multifaceted demands of entrepreneurship. The importance of work ethic, learning through hard work. Choosing the right company for your professional journey extends beyond the acquisition of knowledge. It also involves the development of a robust work ethic. Working within an organization provides an invaluable opportunity to cultivate discipline in adhering to schedules and to stand the intrinsic value of hard work. These lessons lay a solid foundation that becomes instrumental in shaping your approach to future entrepreneurial endeavors. In a corporate setting, the structured nature of work schedules and the expectations for consistent output instill a sense of discipline. Learning to manage your time effectively, meet deadlines, and maintain a high standard of productivity becomes second nature. These habits, honed within the framework of an established company, contribute to the formation of a strong work ethic, a quality that is indispensable when you eventually venture into the realm of running your own business. The discipline acquired in a corporate environment translates into an entrepreneurial skill set characterized by resilience, commitment, and the ability to navigate the challenges inherent in business ownership. The importance of a robust work ethic cannot be overstated. It serves as a guiding principle that propels you forward, ensuring that you approach your entrepreneurial ventures with determination, diligence, and a commitment to excellence. In essence, the lessons learned in the corporate world lay the groundwork for a work ethic that becomes a key driver of success in your entrepreneurial endeavors. Transitioning to entrepreneurship, a calculated move. As you accumulate knowledge and experience, there comes a point where transitioning to entrepreneurship becomes a viable option. This move doesn't necessitate severing ties with your previous employer. Rather, it involves leveraging the skills and insights gained to carve a distinct path. Be respectful to your former employer, avoid breaching agreements, and use your knowledge to offer something unique to the market. The power of insider knowledge. Investing in education. Insider knowledge is invaluable. Investing in education, whether through personal learning or acquiring a mentor, provides a shortcut to gaining crucial insights. If financial constraints exist, working for a company that prioritizes employee training and education can be an alternative. Highlight your eagerness to continuous learning during interviews. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that button and stay tuned for awesome content. Learning the inner workings, a gateway to success. Understanding the inner workings of a business or industry is a gateway to success. This knowledge can be obtained through education, mentorship, or on-the-job experience. Insider information allows you to navigate complexities and make informed decisions as you progress in your entrepreneurial journey. Ethical transition to entrepreneurship, a strategic approach. When transitioning to entrepreneurship, uphold ethical standards. Avoid breaching agreements, disrespecting former employers, or burning bridges. Your previous company played a role in your development, and gratitude is essential. Channel the knowledge gained into offering a unique product or service, perhaps in a different industry or with an innovative twist. The trajectory of success, a time-tested route. The trajectory of success for young entrepreneurs involves apprenticing, gaining knowledge within a fast-growing company, and then utilizing that knowledge to embark on an entrepreneurial venture. The path may have variations, but the core principles remain: learning, working with the right company, and prioritizing knowledge form the bedrock of a successful entrepreneurial journey. Conclusion: navigating entrepreneurial waters. As you navigate the entrepreneurial waters, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. The principles shared here, echoing those of the past, serve as a guiding light. May your pursuit of knowledge, your work ethic, and your strategic transitions lead you to a future marked by prosperity and fulfillment. The entrepreneurial odyssey awaits, and with each step, may you inch closer to realizing your ambitions. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.